Hola amigos, hello friends, how's everyone doing? ¿Cómo están? Espero se encuentren bien. Yo me llamo Jessie Feliz. My name is Jessie Feliz and I'm your Spanish language educator here to help you learn how to speak with Spanish swag. Spanish swag is the way that we learn how to speak el español, the Spanish language, just like people who speak español en casa. Can everyone make a house? En casa. So we want to sprinkle that swag so we can learn to speak Spanish like the people who speak español en casa. We don't want to walk around sounding funny. We want to walk around speaking with swag. Okay, pero every day that we come together, primeramente, the first thing we're going to do is do a little bit of stretching, and we're going to also learn un poquito de lengua de señas. We're going to learn a little bit of sign language. So let's first go ahead and stretch. Okay, muñeca. La muñeca means wrist. Mueve la muñeca. Go ahead and move that wrist. Otro lado, other way. Now let's move la otra muñeca. Let's move the other one. Another way. Let's put it to a little rhythm. Muñeca, la muñeca. Muñeca, la muñeca. La muñeca, las muñecas. Las muñecas. Clap like this. Muñeca. Can we bounce with it? Las muñecas. Muñeca, las muñecas. La muñeca, las muñecas. Las muñecas. Clap like this. Muy bien. Estirarse. Stretch those arms up. Pal cielo to the sky. Can we rotate? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. One more time. Pa arriba. And we wiggle, 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 wiggle. One more time. Otra vez. Pa cielo. And we wiggle, 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 wiggle. Muy bien. Put those arms out to the side. Let's rotate. Let's rotate. Atrás. Let's go backwards. Get this oxygen flowing in our body so we're ready to learn. Muy bien, excelente. Now let's rotate los hombros, our shoulders, detrás. Atrás, atrás, detrás, to the back. Adelante, forward. Muy bien. Pa arriba with your arms. Praying hand to be calm and muy bien. In sign language, this is yay. So give yourself a round of applause. Muy bien. Okay, perfecto. So today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to state our name in a complete sentence. If someone were to ask you, what's your name? You could say Johnny, Melissa, Tiffany, Thomas. Pero una frase completa, a complete sentence would be, my name is Tiffany, Thomas, Melissa, Johnny, right? Using it in a complete sentence. So let's learn how first to do this using lengua de señas, our sign language. And this is American Sign Language. Here we go. So first of all, point to yourself, take your hand, put your hand like this and put it on your chest. This means me or I when you're talking about yourself. So let's tap that. Tap yourself. Now take los dos dedos, take two fingers here and your index and middle finger here and tap it. This is nombre. You gotta tap it twice. Uno, dos. That means name. Let's try it again. Uno, dos. Let's try it. So you go, my name. My name. You try. Pause. I forgot to ask you an important question. Una pregunta muy importante. Why do we use la lengua de señas? Why do we use sign language to begin with? Anyone? Who can tell us? Right, we use sign language porque es muy importante because guess what? There are people who have challenges with hearing or they may not be able to hear at all. And so these individuals want to communicate. There also are individuals who may have a challenge with speaking and they also want to communicate. So this is a language that was created and it's different in every country, right? Certain countries have different ways we're learning to express themselves with sign language, lengua de señas, and so we're learning American Sign Language porque estamos aquí en los Estados Unidos, because we're here in the United States. And I want you to practice this and teach it to your friends and your family members, and you may be in a situation where you can use and communicate in American Sign Language to someone else. How amazing is that? While we're also learning Espanol. So you'll be able to communicate in 3 different languages al mismo tiempo at the same time. So amazing. So let's go over again. This is like my, step back so you can see, my name. And the way we're going to say is, take those same fingers and you're going to go is. You see a little spiral turn around your mouth? Is, and then you can say your name. So, Let's try it together. And you can either spell out your name. Once we get to the alfabeto, you'll be able to do that, and I'm super excited. But you can then say your name, because some people are able to read your lips. So let me give you an example. I would say Jessica. Jessica. My name is Jessica. Jessica. Okay? Let's all try it together. Ready? Let's go. Jessica. I'm going to do it again, but this time we're going to do it all together, and I won't say my name, okay? But then you say your name, because guess what? Even if individuals cannot hear you say your name, when you say Jessica, Martin, Manuel, Maricela, Diamond, they can read your lips, and they'll associate those gestures with your mouth with your name, okay? Let's try it again. Ready? Let's go. Muy bien. Excelentísimo. So if I were to ask you, what is your name? You name, what is it? You will respond with, my name is, and you say it. Or in Espanol, as we're going to learn, yo me llamo Jessica. Mi nombre es Jessica. We just did this in a trilingual way. How awesome is that? Okay, I'm so excited to continue learning El Español, and let's have a great day. Ciao!